Hey guys, so I'm in Burlington. I wanted to try on a few pieces. I didn't really end up buying anything, but I wanted to see what was out there. This is what I wore. It's just jeans, my sneakers. This is what I'm going to try on. This first piece is in a 1X. It's sleeveless. It's really soft. I love the detail in the front. It would look nice with shorts, jeans, a skirt. It covers your butt, so that was nice. I wanted to try a 1X because I've been trying 2Xs and I think 1X might be a better fit. But that's how that looks. So pretty. So this is the second one. And it's also in a 1X. This one is a little bigger. I felt like maybe I could have downsized. It's red and white. It's got the bell sleeves. You can wear it the way I have it there, or you can do like off the shoulder. I think that would also look cute. You can cinch in the front in the jeans to give it a different look. You don't have to have it tied up. It is long, so that's how I would wear it cinched in the waist, just to give it a little bit of a fitted look. This one I wasn't crazy about. The color was a little mustardy, not really yellow, but it is pretty for summer with some white jeans or white slacks. It had that zipper detail, which was pretty. It is long, but again, I think it looks like a lot of the stuff I already have. This was a pretty shirt. This was for more like lounging around. It says today is canceled, go back to bed. It had that X detail on the back, which I thought was different. So I didn't end up getting anything, but I did want to try on a few things at Burlington. So if you're in the area and you want to see what they've got, these are some of the items. And then these were some joggers. They felt kind of like pajama pants. I liked them for like running around, but I wasn't sure. I got them in a 3X and they were still kind of, I don't know, staticky feeling. You could wear them with one leg up or, both down, kind of like that. Um, but yeah, I didn't end up picking anything up. I actually picked up some Puma sneakers, which was the price of everything together.